Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I'll tell you how to delete to pay items on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your device, then go to your account at the bottom side of the screen and enter My Orders tab right here and select To Pay section at the top. So find specific order that you want to cancel and tap on it to open its details. And at the bottom side of the screen you should see button Cancel Order. So if you have it, click on it, then select Reason for Cancellation and finally submit your request. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.